Building a reliable canned food stockpile takes more than grabbing a few extra cans at the store. It's a process that requires careful planning, smart shopping, and a real understanding of what your family needs to stay safe and nourished in any situation. Many people think prepping is as simple as filling a cart with whatever's on sale, but the truth is, every can you buy is a small investment in your family's future. The choices you make today can mean the difference between comfort and crisis down the road. Every can is an investment in your family's security, but hidden mistakes can wipe out your efforts. It's not just about the money you spend, it's about the time, energy, and hope you put into building a stockpile you can trust. Imagine opening your pantry in an emergency, only to find cans that are expired, damaged, or unsafe to eat. All that work, wasted. That's why it's so important to understand the real risks and costs involved in canned food prepping. The worst part? These mistakes often go unnoticed until it's too late. Spoiled, rusted, or unsafe cans when you need them most. Sometimes, it's as simple as a can pushed to the back of the shelf and forgotten, or a small dent that leads to contamination. Other times, it's improper storage, fluctuating temperatures, or even just not rotating your stock. These are the silent threats that can turn your emergency food supply into a liability instead of a lifesaver. Today, I'll reveal the 15 most common mistakes that can silently destroy your canned food stockpile, and show you how to fix each one. We'll cover everything from buying habits and storage tips to expiration dates and safe handling. You'll learn how to spot trouble before it starts, how to organize your pantry for maximum safety, and how to make sure your investment pays off when you need it most. These are lessons learned from real-life prepping experiences, so you can avoid the pitfalls that catch so many people off guard. Whether you're a prepping pro or just starting out, you'll leave with a solid action plan. No matter your budget or the size of your family, these tips will help you build a stockpile that's safe, reliable, and ready for anything. Prepping isn't just about survival, it's about peace of mind, knowing you've done everything you can to protect the people you love. Let's get started and protect your food, your investment, and your peace of mind. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and what to avoid to make sure your canned food prepping pays off when it matters most. When it comes to storing canned goods, one of the most important factors to consider is temperature stability. Many people overlook this, but where you keep your cans can make a huge difference in how long they last and how safe they are to eat. If your storage area experiences frequent temperature swings, like in garages, attics, or sheds that aren't climate controlled, you're setting yourself up for trouble. These places often get extremely hot in the summer and freezing cold in the winter, which can wreak havoc on your canned food. Exposure to heat above 85 degrees Celsius can dramatically reduce the shelf life of canned goods, sometimes cutting it in half or even worse. On the other hand, freezing temperatures can be just as damaging, causing the contents to expand and contract, which puts stress on the can's seals. According to the USDA, the ideal temperature range for storing canned foods is between 50 and 70 degrees Celsius. This range helps preserve both the quality and safety of your food. When cans are stored in hotter conditions, the food inside can spoil much faster, losing flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Freezing, meanwhile, can cause the liquid inside to expand, which may break seals or even crack the can itself. This can lead to leaks, rust, or dangerous contamination, making the food unsafe to eat. To keep your canned goods in the best possible condition, choose a storage spot that stays cool and has minimal temperature fluctuations. Basements, interior closets, or dedicated pantry spaces away from exterior walls are all excellent choices. It's a good idea to use a thermometer to regularly check the temperature in your storage area. This simple step can help you catch any issues before they become a problem and protect your investment in food security. By keeping your canned goods at the right temperature, you'll ensure they stay safe, nutritious, and ready to use for months or even years to come. Take the time to get your storage conditions right, and your stockpile will reward you with long-lasting peace of mind. Sunlight is a silent killer for canned goods. UV rays break down food quality, fade labels, and speed up spoilage, even from a small window. Keep your cans in a cool, dark place and cover shelves if needed. Organize so the most sensitive foods are in the darkest spots. Protect your cans from light, and they'll stay fresher, longer. Humidity can destroy your food stash by causing rust, peeling labels, and mold. Rust can break the seal and let in bacteria, dangerous stuff. Check your storage for leaks or water damage, and use a dehumidifier or moisture absorbers if needed. Silica gel packs work great for small spaces. Inspect under and behind cans regularly for rust or dampness. Keep things dry, clean, and ventilated. A little vigilance now saves your food later. Not rotating your stockpile leads to wasted food and money. Use the FIFO method. First in, first out, so older cans get used first. Label cans with purchase or expiration dates for quick checks. Organize your shelves to make rotation easy. With a good system, you'll always have fresh food and zero surprises. Don't let forgotten cans go to waste. Not tracking your stockpile leads to chaos, duplicates, missing essentials, wasted money. When you don't know what's in your pantry, it's easy to buy the same items over and over, while forgetting the things you actually need. This can result in shelves overflowing with certain foods, while you run out of others at the worst possible moment. Plus, you might end up tossing out expired cans you never realized you had, which is like throwing money straight into the trash. The good news? Staying organized doesn't have to be complicated. Use a simple spreadsheet, a dedicated notebook, or a free app to log what you have, how much of it is left, and when it expires. Choose the method that fits your lifestyle best. Digital or paper, whatever you'll actually use. Make it a habit to check your inventory before shopping, so you only buy what you need and avoid unnecessary purchases. Update your inventory every time you add or remove cans. This small step takes just a minute, but it keeps your records accurate and up to date. Whether you're restocking after a grocery run or grabbing a can for dinner, mark it down right away. Over time, this habit will save you from confusion and last-minute scrambles. Keeping an updated inventory means your shelves stay organized and you always know what's available. It also makes meal planning much easier, since you can quickly see what ingredients you have on hand and what you need to use up soon. This helps you create balanced meals and reduces the stress of last-minute decisions. You'll avoid waste by using items before they expire, and you'll always know exactly what's on hand. No more digging through cluttered shelves or discovering forgotten cans months too late. An organized pantry saves you time, money, and frustration. If you share your pantry with family or friends, keeping a shared inventory means everyone is on the same page. You'll know exactly where you stand, avoid miscommunication, and make group meal planning a breeze. It's a simple way to keep everyone involved and informed. A little effort now saves big headaches later. With a well-maintained inventory, you'll enjoy peace of mind, a tidy pantry, and the satisfaction of knowing you're making the most of your food supply. Stocking up on foods your family won't eat wastes money and space. Only buy what you know your family likes and eats regularly. Skip bulk deals on foods you never use. Test new foods in small amounts before adding them to your stash. Familiar foods keep morale high and ensure your stockpile gets used. Don't let your emergency stash become a source of stress. Botulism is rare but deadly. One bad can is all it takes. Watch for bulging lids, leaks, or cans that spray when opened, foul smells or discoloration. Throw it out immediately. Never taste food from a suspicious can. If in doubt, dispose of it safely. Don't risk your health. Botulism can't be seen or smelled, so stay vigilant. Your safety is worth more than any can. Not all dents are harmless. Dents on seams, rims, or lids can break the seal and let in bacteria. Inspect every can for damage, especially on the seams. Use or discard cans with dangerous dents right away. Avoid buying dented cans even if they're on sale. Don't risk your whole stash for a few saved dollars. Safety first, always. Expiration dates are about quality, not always safety. Most canned foods are safe past the best by date if stored well and the can is intact. Use your senses, sight, smell, taste, to judge each can. Don't waste good food just because the date has passed. If in doubt, refer to botulism warnings and USDA guidelines. Understanding dates means less waste and more value. Buying in bulk without testing is risky. You might end up with food nobody likes. Always try a single can before buying a case. If it's a hit, stock up. If not, you've saved money and space. This also helps spot allergies or sensitivities early. Test drive your choices before committing. Your wallet and taste buds will thank you. Weak containers invite pests, leaks, and spoilage. Upgrade to sturdy, food-safe bins with tight lids. Stackable plastic bins or metal-lined shelves work best. Label containers clearly for easy access. Keep your storage area clean and clutter-free. Good containers protect your investment. A stockpile is useless if you can't cook when the power's out. Most canned foods taste better warmed up, and some need cooking for safety. Have a backup plan: camp stove, grill, or rocket stove, and enough fuel. Practice using your gear before an emergency. Keep a manual, can opener, handy. Plan ahead so you can actually use your food. Storing cans on concrete speeds up rust and spoilage. Elevate cans with pallets, shelves, or boards to keep moisture away. Even in dry basements, this simple fix makes a big difference. Check for rust or water damage after heavy weather. A little elevation protects your food for the long haul. Sudden temperature spikes can damage cans just as much as long-term heat or cold. Expanding and contracting stresses seals and lets in bacteria. Avoid high-risk areas and insulate if needed. Monitor temperatures and move your stockpile if you notice big swings. Stay vigilant. Don't let a few hot or cold days ruin your prepping. Consistency is key for long-term storage. Don't let your stockpile gather dust. Use what you store what you eat. Regularly use canned goods in daily meals and replace them as you go. This keeps food fresh, prevents waste, and ensures your family stays familiar with your stash. Smart rotation saves money and keeps you prepared.